Hello friends, once again welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. You know very well last time I made video on the articles. That was the part 1, uses and omission of the articles. In that one I covered use of a and an. And this video I am covering use of the, and the last part is the where we should not use articles. That is the omission of an articles. That part I will cover right now. Now let me revise. But before that, if you are first time watching my channel, please like it, press the subscribe button and share with your friends. Now come to the topic. In last video I taught we use a especially where the singular countable noun is there and where the u sound is there, u consonantal sound is there. And I use, and just we use where, just where the vowel sound is there as well as where the first letter H is silent. All these things I taught in my previous video. You can watch the previous video for more clarification. Now come to the main point here. Now the third one is the where do we use the. What are the rules regarding that? Now see on the screen. But before that, let me recapitulate the articles, that is the indefinite articles and definite articles. Articles are of two types. A and are called indefinite because here not we are pointing out any particular thing. Definite article is the where we point out the particular thing, that is the. Now see two examples I am showing you. They will clarify you in detail about especially that topic. I want a book. I have written in bracket indefinite and I want the book. Here in first one I am talking, I am not mentioning any particular. I am not mentioning any particular the definite thing. I want a book, that is a common. But second example, I want the book. I am talking about any specific book, definite book. That is the basic difference here. Yeah, that is the use of and an. We use the indefinite, that is in the okay, not any particular thing, and definite is the particular, that is the. Now come to the next point. Now we learn in details about the part, that where do we use really the uses of the. Now see the first rule, to denote a particular person or thing. Is very important. And below to that I have written note also, that I will clarify later. To denote a particular person or thing, here we use the. See the examples. See the first. The book you gave me is lost. Here the book, I am talking about any particular book. The book which you gave me is lost. So here I am talking about a particular book, therefore I used here the. And second example, before just you to read second example, first see this rule. It is also used with only specific plural countable noun. I taught in first video. A is used before singular countable noun. Okay, and before plural countable noun article is not used, but in that case where it is used, what I'm saying, specific, only specific plural countable noun, where it is really talking about any specific thing. See, the books assigned for this class are very useful. Yes, this doubt will come in your mind, how I use here the books. If I'm calling anyone, yeah, like previous example, the book you gave me is lost. In suppose in for example I'm saying the books you gave me is lost, that is wrong. We can't use that. Before plural countable noun we don't use a article. But here is the case is what, when it is only, when it is used with the only specific plural countable noun, when we are talking about a specific thing, a specific plural countable noun. Here the books assigned for this class are very useful. Here the books which I am talking about, they are specifically for this class. They are talking about the particular class. So it is little bit tricky, huh? So but remember one thing, that before plural countable noun we don't use. Only some wherever the in a specific area, when we are talking about a specific thing, it is for the whole group. Then we use the. The exercise you did was very difficult. Here I am talking about particular. Let's go to the garden. Here I am talking about a particular garden. So here is the, what will you keep in mind especially for this part? To denote a particular person or thing we use the. If it is common thing is there, we use a. I taught in the previous part. And the used with the plural only one, that case where the it is indicating any specific plural countable noun. Now come to the next rule. Where do we use the? Second rule. See here. Yeah, see on the screen. To denote people or object that is unique. Unique means you know very well. Specific. Yeah, which is only one. There we use the article. Like example, the sun rises in the east. Yes, sun is unique, only one. The sun rises in the east. East also, east direction is there. That is what? That is the unique. You can go anywhere in the world. Here the two worlds are not there, only one. So I use here the. The earth is a beautiful planet. Here earth unique, yes, only one earth, not two earths are there. The Taj Mahal is located in India. So wherever the any peep, okay, wherever the just the case is to denote people or any object which is unique, there we use the. See the third rule. Where do we use the? So first rule we said about any is particular thing. Second was there the unique, and now see the third rule. When singular noun represents the whole class. Try to understand. Singular noun is here, but representing whole class. See, the tiger is a dangerous animal. Here I am not talking about any particular tiger, the tiger of Mumbai, tiger of London, tiger of New York. No. Here I am talking about that class, species. The tiger is a dangerous animal. What I've written here? When singular noun. Yes, tiger is a singular noun. Yes, okay. But here the question is what? Here I am talking about the tiger that is a dangerous animal. Means that is the quality of the tiger. Okay, tiger species which is from, okay, they might be from any country, that is not a question. Second thing, what is here? The horse is a strong animal. Here I am talking about that quality of that horse. Here I am not talking about a particular thing. So my question is here was, when singular noun represent the whole class. When any singular noun is there and representing whole class, then we use the. The cow is a useful animal. The dog is a man's best friend. Here I am talking about the whole clan of dog, whole clan of cow, whole clan of horse, whole clan of tiger. That is the third rule, keep in mind. That is the which is representing the whole class. Now come to the fourth. Fourth rule. It's very interesting rule. You might have studied especially in the grammar other part. Okay, I don't want to disclose the secrecy. Now see them in the screen, it will be clear to you. Before adjectives in superlative degree. Very important. Especially in the degree of comparison, you might have studied. Otherwise, just watch my video. It will clear to you. See the first rule. He is the best student in our class. Okay, here is the The is here used before superlative degree. Best. You know very well degree. Good, better, best. So here the question is here what? What is that? We use before superlative degree. The best. India is the largest democracy in the world. The largest. Here the largest is the superlative degree. I use the. The best is superlative degree. I use the. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Biggest is the degree. Before that, I use the. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. The most interesting is the superlative degree, and before that, I use the. So, before superlative degree, we use the. So, these are the four rules which we have to remember whenever we study, especially the use of articles, that is the definite article. The. Now, the last part is very interesting because people commit mistake. They learn how to use articles, but they forget that where we should not use the articles. Because if you are using articles where it is not needed, yes, you will be matter of joke. People will laugh on you. So therefore, it is very important. You must know that where do we use or where we should not use. Now come to topic. Omission of an article means no article. Where we should never use articles. First, before plural countable noun. Be careful. Before plural countable noun. I taught you earlier in first part. Before singular countable noun, we use a. And before plural countable noun, we don't use article. Yeah. So there before uncountable noun also we don't use article. Only one case was the last time I taught. When the specific case is the books. That example I gave you. So here mainly keep in mind singular countable noun we use article, but before plural countable noun we don't use article. Whether the general case is there or the specific general or the non-specific case is there. Now see the examples. Yeah. I bought new pens and pencils at the store. See carefully. I bought new pens and pencils. I can't write here I bought new the pens and pencils. No, it is wrong. So before plural countable noun, we should never use articles. Second, babies cry a lot. Okay. Here I am not talking about specific, non-specific cases here. But here what my question is here, before plural countable noun, don't use article. Cats can see in the dark. We can't write the babies or the cats or a babies or the cats. No, don't use article. So first part is clear. Before plural countable noun, we never use articles. Second rule. Yeah. What is the second rule especially where we don't use articles? Say before an uncountable noun. Yes, clear. First, what I told you. Before plural countable noun, don't use article. We use article only before singular countable noun. I'm saying a book, a man, not a man's. No, wrong. Like uh, a duster, not a dusters or an duster or the duster. It's totally wrong. And second thing, before uncountable, which cannot be counted. So before uncountable noun also, we never use article. See. Children must drink milk. We can't write children must drink a milk and milk the milk. No, for good health. So here, before uncountable noun, don't use articles. Second, sugar must be avoided by diabetic patients. Sugar. We can't write a sugar and sugar the sugar. No. Water. Water is uncountable now. Water is very important for us. Here the water I can't write a water and water the water. No. We say I want water, not say I want a water, I want the water, I want a milk. No. Don't use before uncountable noun articles. I think this part is clear to you. Now see. Third rule. There also we don't use articles. See on the screen. Before the name of a person, day, month, language, etc. Before anybody's name, we put the name of day, month, language. We never use article. English is a beautiful language. I can't write the English is a beautiful language. The French is a beautiful language. Okay. Here we have to write only language name. Here, second, before any person name, language I clarified. Before any person name also, like the Divya is an intelligent girl. Here, like before you saw, before language, no article. Same way, Divya. Here I can't write the Divya, a Divya. No, not possible. Your lecture will be on Monday. Here I can't write on the Monday. On a Monday. No. April is very hot in India. I can't write here the April or April. So now to clarify my the topic person, see Divya or any name. Day, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Don't use article. Month, April. Yeah, sometimes people use like in the month of April. In the month of April. But before April, sorry, in the month of March. But before month name, we can't use article. So these three important rules you have to keep in mind whenever you are studying about uses of articles. Yeah. Now I think your all doubts regarding this topic is clear. And now all three and the both indefinite and definite articles just now they are clear. Okay. And you have to, if your still doubt is there, you can watch the video again and again, and just if you not subscribe channel, subscribe it, share with your friends to clarify these doubts. They also might be having there. Thanks for watching. Thank you.